Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May.
We are going to see this like small canyon. So here it is. Wow, look at that, guys. Wow, so nice. Yes. Hailey's eating ice candy.
Hi. Calipo.
They call it Calipo here. Look, guys, so that is the canyon.
You find the way you are. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay.
And we went there. We went to the river that side, guys. Me and my husband, when we were still boyfriend and girlfriend. And that is a church, guys, on top of this mountain, as you can see. Yes. Colegiata, they call that church, guys.
Who's as honest as you are? The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh,
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make that smile.
so just stay for a little while.
So long when you go, and I can't get enough of you. So can't you stay a little while? I don't want you to leave, so please stay with me.
Stay for a little while.
So there are people climbing, guys. Behind this, there are people. So guys, that is the entrance, guys, if you want to go to the Colegiata, to the church on top of the mountain. And we are going to see the view here. Can you see, guys? Can you imagine how they build the church on top of the mountain? So we are going to the Colegiata, guys, to the church. And this is the entrance. Yes, it reminds me Jerusalem. The walls, yes.
Can you take me there? Will you carry me through the burden of tomorrow? Can you wash away the tears of yesterday? Will you guide me on the path that I must follow? Can you take my fears away? Take my fears away. Starry night, angel glow, aching heart, hollow soul, trembling peace, waking dream. There's so much more to be seen. Will you carry me through the burden of tomorrow? Can you wash away the tears of yesterday? Will you guide me on the path that I must follow? Can you take my fears away? Take my fears away. I wanna wake up and live again. I don't wanna look over my shoulder. I'll never run away again. Oh, love, we'll never forget. This time I'm gonna do better. Somehow I'll find another You will carry me through the burden of tomorrow, and you'll wash away the tears of yesterday. You guide me on the path that I must follow, and you take my fears away. Take my fears away.
Juan Evangelista, San Pedro, San Pablo y la crucifixión cuando muere en la cruz. Jerusalén amurallado y como le clavan la lanza en el costado con los personajes de la pasión, San Juan con las piadosas mujeres y María Magdalena a los pies de la cruz. Miren qué pie que tiene Jesús más grande, ¿no lo ves? Se le da un tamaño a Jesús mucho más grande. Infancia, pasión y resurrección.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there.